Shit, how I started is just phone, best. It doesn't matter if it's the best quality or 4K. It doesn't matter. Just start. I started phone and laptop. That's it. If you got one, doesn't matter. Phone, laptop, does not matter. Shit, this is what I use to edit on. Laptop, laptop. It does not matter. Laptop or phone. It does not matter. Just start, bro. Just start. Nobody's watching anyways. Nobody's watching you. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Things like that. Okay? Till you grow, you just gotta be consistent and just start. Laptop, or phone. It does not matter. It's the best. Or it's the best tech or quality. Use what you got. It does not matter. Nobody's watching you. Nobody's watching you anyways, bro. So just start. Just start.